the last problem you see on tonight's homework asks us to find the area of one of the faces of a square prism. Well, in this case, or actually maybe just a rectangular prism, but anyhow, we're going to do one that's similar to that. This is finding one of the faces, the area of one of the faces, given that the surface area of the square pyramid is 72 square feet. The area of the base is 36 square feet. So let's draw a little picture of what we've got. Here's our square, and then to draw the pyramid, just put a dot somewhere, and then just connect lines. Now, some of these lines are going to end up being hidden. So let's go ahead and draw some of these hidden lines here. So like, for instance, this line back here, we don't really see. This line here as well, don't really see. So it's really only these three that we see. So what I can do to just make it a little bit more understandable is draw some dashed lines there of ones that we do see. And so what we've got are we've got this square base here, and we've got these different faces. The faces are these triangles that you see. And so what we want to do is we see that there are 4 triangles. So if I just draw this a different way, let's go ahead and cut this into different pieces. Before we went ahead and built it, the layout of this would look like this. We've got the square base, and then we've got this pyramid. And the pyramid's made up of these 4 triangles that are, if we fold right along the base of the square, we can go ahead and fold these up, and they come to a point. That point is called the vertex. Well, what we want to do, since these are all the same size because this is a square, we can go ahead and subtract the area of the surface area of the figure that we have. So we know that the surface area equals 72. Well, the surface area is made up of 2 different things. The surface area is made up of the area of this square plus 4 triangles. So we know the area, the surface area, we know that's 72, so let's write that in place of the surface area. We know the area of the square, they said that was 36, so 36. So let's put that in place of the area of the square. We don't know the area of the triangles, but we know there's 4 of them. So now we can go ahead and solve. So the way we're going to solve is we're going to subtract this 36 from both sides. And so when we do that, we now have a new equation. 36 equals 4 times by the triangles. Just don't know what that triangle is yet. Well, we're going to find it shortly by doing one more opposite operation. Divide by 4, we've got 9. So 9 is the area of the triangle. So there it is, 9, and then whatever the units are, 9 square feet. So that's what you're doing on tonight's homework. Good luck.